Here I've got ALCATEL A3, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to find and select Backup and Reset, and now go to Backup My Data. So simply tap on this switcher to activate this option, and let's go back. Now it's time to set the backup account, so click on Backup Account and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, so it's here. And once you are connected, just refresh this site. So let me do it one more time. Add account. And now your device will check all the information. If you have recently logged in with your Google account, then you will be able to just skip these steps. But if not, you will have to log in with your Google account. So as you can see, just enter your Gmail address. HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com, and once it's entered, click on Next. Then you have to enter the password, so just let me show you. If you will be entering, you can click on the eye icon to see what your current password is. So give me a sec to do it off the screen. And when you enter the code, click on Next. So once the password is entered, tap on Next, come along with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Click on the links to see the documents. So just read them, and if you agree with all the terms of usage, click on I agree. And now, as you can see, backup option is active, so click on Next. And that's it. That is all. From now on, your data is backed by Google. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.